Samsung Galaxy Fold specifications. Display type. Samsung Galaxy Fold smartphone was launched in 2019. The phone comes with a 7.30-inch touchscreen primary display with a resolution of 1536 by 2152 pixels. It also features a 4.60-inch touchscreen as its second display, with a resolution of 840 by 1960 pixels. Connectivity options on the Samsung Galaxy Fold include Wi-Fi, GPS, and USB Type-C. Front dual camera. First camera 10 megapixel. Second camera 8 megapixel. Samsung phone fingerprint sensor side mounted. Triple camera. As far as the cameras are concerned, the Samsung Galaxy Fold on the rear packs a 16 megapixel primary camera with an f/2.2 aperture, a second 12 megapixel camera with an f/1.5 f/2.4 aperture, and a third 12 megapixel camera with an f/2.4 aperture. It sports a 10 megapixel camera on the front for selfies with an f/2.2 aperture. Memory and storage. 12 GB RAM, LPDDR4X with 512 GB internal storage, UFS 3.0. Actual storage available may depend on pre-installed software. No microSD slot. Samsung front dual camera. First camera 10 megapixel. Selfie camera pixel size 1.22 FOV 80 degrees Fahrenheit. No aperture f/2.2. Second camera 8 megapixel. RGB depth camera pixel size 1.12 FOV 90 degrees Fahrenheit. No aperture f/1.9. The Samsung Galaxy Fold supports wireless charging, as well as Quick Charge 2.0 fast charging. Fast charging compatible on wired and wireless. Wireless charging compatible with WPC and PMA. Other sensors include light sensor, proximity sensor, accelerometer, compass, gyroscope, gaming, graphical performance that can make games run smoothly. Colors. It was launched in Space Silver, Cosmos Black, and Martian Green and Astro Blue colors. Battery. 4380 mAh. Typical refers to the typical value of the battery capacity as tested under third-party lab conditions. The Samsung Galaxy Fold runs Android Pie and is powered by a 4380 mAh battery. Type. Samsung Galaxy Fold is powered by an octa-core processor. It comes with 12 GB of RAM.
कमेंट्स करके जरूर बताइएगा आपको ये वीडियो कैसी लगी, और मैं इस तरह की नई वीडियो लाता रहूँगा। प्लीज़ सब्सक्राइब माय चैनल भाटी कंप्यूटर इंजीनियर, और कमेंट्स जरूर करिएगा, और लाइक तो बनता ही है एक दोस्तों, एक लाइक जरूर करिए। थैंक यू।